every day as we're dealing with the immigration mess. One issue that popped up that was really problematic that I want to share with you all is regarding Form I-693. That's the form that you submit if you're filing for adjustment of status in the United States, and it's a medical checkup form. So when you do a medical checkup for a green card case, you go to a doctor, a civil surgeon. There are people that have special certification from USCIS to do the medical checkup, and they check you, and they check your lungs, for example, for tuberculosis, for syphilis, for gonorrhea. They also check to see if you have any mental health issues, all this kind of stuff that they may have problems with allowing you before you get a green card. They want to check it out. And also they give you some vaccines, or they mark that those vaccines are not necessary in your case. Now there's a lot of pages in this form that the doctor is supposed to fill out, and there's tons of boxes they have to check off to say you're good, bad, or something like that. And most people have no problems. They just check no, okay, 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 okay. But because there's so many boxes, every once in a while, I would say 1 out of maybe 10 to 20 times, a doctor forgets to mark one of the boxes. And that's why it's really important that not only you get the sealed envelope copy from the doctor for giving to USCIS, but you need to ask for additional copy on your own so you can review it. Now, if you don't have familiarity with the form, it's going to be hard for you to review it, but I always tell my clients you have to get additional copies so I can review it, because I said 1 out of 10 to 1 out of 20 times, the doctors miss one of the boxes. And if they do, the USCIS cannot accept that medical checkup because it's incomplete. Now, historically, if a USCIS officer saw something was incomplete, they'll tell the client or applicant, okay, go back to the doctor, have him finish this up, bring it back to us. We'll issue a request for evidence, RFE, no problem, we have time to do that. But recently, ever since President Trump has come out, I've been seeing cases contacting me and colleagues contacting me about this, saying that they were missing one box like on a vaccine, and they just denied the case. So it's a crazy situation to go through the extreme of denying it, because then you have to file an appeal, which costs a lot of money, a lot of time. Sometimes what I would do is try to contact the local office and try to talk my way into having to accept that was an honest mistake and to fix it, but they don't have to do that if you don't file an official appeal and pay the fee. So there's risks that as well, or you may need to file the appeal anyways, even if you do reach out. Either way, it's a mess. So there's ways to deal with that. You should consult them. Great String, contact my office if the problem pops up. We'll see how you can deal with it. Just work fast if that happens. But the bigger thing is this, get an additional copy of the doctor's report, review it, just make sure all the boxes are checked, or have your lawyer look at it too, because it's a really dumb issue to have a case denied because the doctor didn't mark one of the boxes properly. So I wanted to bring that to your attention, because a lot of people have cases that are going to go through this. So have to be mindful and be careful of that.